New Google AI Studio update is insane. Google just dropped Build Mode 2.0 in AI Studio, and this thing is a complete game changer. You can now build full AI apps with voice, video generation, chatbots, image editing, Google search, and maps all in one place. No code, no setup, just describe what you want, and it builds the entire thing for you in seconds. I'm talking productivity apps, SEO tools, even full games with sound effects. And the craziest part, there's literally an I'm feeling lucky button that builds random working apps just to show off what it can do. This is absolutely insane, and I'm about to show you exactly how it works. All right, so here's what's happening. Google AI Studio just became an AI app factory. You've got over a dozen different AI capabilities you can mix together like Lego blocks. We're talking Gemini intelligence for reasoning, Veotrez for video generation, real-time data from Google Search and Maps, voice synthesis, audio transcription, image analysis, chatbot interfaces, the whole nine yards. And the wild thing is Build Mode 2.0 automatically wires everything together. It connects all the APIs, sets up the logic, builds the interface. You just pick what you want and describe your app. That's it. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know what you think. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to build 3 different apps right now to prove this isn't some marketing hype. Real demos, real results. First up, I want to build a productivity app, something that organizes daily tasks, sends reminders, and reads motivational quotes out loud. I'm calling it Smart Day AI. So I select a few capabilities: Gemini intelligence for the reasoning, AI-powered chatbot for the interface, generate speech so it can read quotes out loud, and fast AI responses to keep everything smooth. I type in my prompt. Create an app called Smart Day AI that organizes my daily tasks, sends reminders, and reads motivational quotes out loud. Watch what happens next. It starts auto-building the entire layout, setting up the logic, connecting all the pieces, and in less than a minute, I've got a full productivity assistant with voice capabilities. The speech synthesis actually works. Type in a motivational quote, and it reads it back to you in a natural voice. This would have taken hours to build manually, maybe days if you're not a coder. Build Mode 2.0 did it in seconds. That's absolutely wild. But let me show you something even more useful for business owners. I want to build an SEO tool, something that suggests keywords, analyzes search intent, and generates content ideas. Perfect for anyone running a website or doing content marketing. I'm calling this one SEO Genie. I select Gemini intelligence for the reasoning, use Google search data to pull real trends, fast AI responses for speed, and I'm throwing in generate images with a prompt just in case I want thumbnail ideas. My prompt says build a tool that suggests SEO keywords, analyzes search intent, and generates content ideas. Hit build and boom. It generates a dashboard with the topic input field and a full keyword table. Shows you the keyword, the search intent, even difficulty scores. This is stuff people pay hundreds of dollars a month for in tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush. And it knew to build a table automatically. It understood that keyword data needs to be organized. That's Gemini's reasoning at work. Now, here's where I'm going to pause for a second because I need to tell you about something important. If you're serious about scaling your business and making more money with AI, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. This is hands down the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. You're getting access to real strategies that actually work, not theory, real case studies from people making real money. The link is in the description. Go join right now because the stuff we're covering in there is next level. All right, back to the demos. Now I want to show you something fun because this proves Build Mode 2.0 isn't just for business apps. I'm going to build a game. I want a simple web-based Pong game with background music and sound effects, calling it Pixel Pong. I select Gemini Intelligence for the game logic, control image aspect ratios to keep the visuals perfect, generate speech for announcements like game over, and transcribe audio just in case I want to add voice commands later. Prompt says create a simple web-based Pong game with background music and sound effects. And check this out, it builds a playable game canvas, the ball bounces, the paddles move, and when the ball hits a paddle, there's a sound effect. This is a working game built in under a minute, no Unity, no Unreal Engine, no hours of coding, just a description. And Build Mode 2.0 handles everything else. This is the kind of stuff that used to take game developers weeks to prototype. Now anyone can do it. But here's the really crazy part. Let's say you have 0 ideas, you don't know what to build. Google thought of that too. There's a button called I'm feeling lucky. You click it, And Build Mode 2.0 randomly combines different capabilities and builds a working app just to show you what's possible. I'm clicking it right now. Let's see what it makes. Okay, it just generated a mood tracker app. It's got a daily check-in, emotion logging, even generates affirmations based on your mood. This is actually useful, and I didn't even ask for it. That's the power of Build Mode 2.0. It can create things you didn't even think of. Now, let me break down what else you can do with this because the possibilities are genuinely endless. You can build travel planner apps using Google Maps data. It pulls live route information, describes landmarks, plans entire itineraries. You can turn blog posts or product scripts into short videos using VO. Just paste your script and it generates video clips automatically. You can build chatbots that summarize YouTube videos. Feed it a video URL and it uses video understanding to pull out the key points. You can create image editing apps with Nano Banana, style transfer, background removal, color grading, all controlled through simple prompts. You can build voice apps using Gemini Live API, conversational AI that actually sounds natural. The list goes on and on. Voice transcription, real-time search integration, multimodal reasoning, all of it plug and play. And here's what makes this different from other AI tools. Most AI platforms give you one thing. ChatGPT gives you text. DALLE gives you images. For us, Runway gives you video. Google AI Studio with Build Mode 2.0 gives you everything in one place and it automatically connects them. That's the breakthrough. You're not stitching together different APIs. You're not writing integration code. You're not dealing with authentication tokens or rate limits. Build Mode does all of that for you. This is what I mean when I say it's an AI app factory. You're going from idea to working prototype in minutes, not weeks, not days, minutes. And for anyone running a business, this is a massive advantage. You can test ideas faster. You can build internal tools without hiring developers. You can automate workflows that used to take hours. The point is, Build Mode 2.0 removes the biggest barrier to building with AI. You don't need to be technical anymore. You just need ideas. And if you're watching this thinking I don't have ideas, that's where my AI Money Lab comes in. This is a completely free community where you're going to learn exactly how to make money with AI. Inside, you're getting 50 plus free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You're learning how to make money with AI agents. You're getting access to over 1,000 free NAN workflows. You're getting a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads for free using AI. You're also getting a free AI community, a free AI course, and proven AI case studies from people actually making money, not theory, real results. The link is in the description. Go join right now because the stuff we're covering is exactly what you need to take advantage of tools like Build Mode 2.0. Now, let me talk about why this update matters beyond just the cool factor. This is part of a bigger trend in AI. We're moving from single purpose tools to multi-modal platforms. A year ago, you needed ChatGPT for text, Midjourney for images, 11 Labs for voice, Runway for video, each one separate, each one requiring different subscriptions and workflows. Now, platforms like Google AI Studio are bundling everything together and they're adding the intelligence layer that connects it all. That's what Gemini does. It's the brain that understands what you're trying to build and wires up the right components. This is the future. AI systems that can combine different capabilities on the fly based on what you need. And Build Mode 2.0 is one of the first mainstream tools to actually deliver on that vision. Compare this to what we had even 6 months ago. So back then, if you wanted to build an AI app, you needed to learn API documentation, set up authentication, handle errors, write integration code, deploy to a server, manage updates. It was a nightmare unless you were a developer. And even for developers, it was time consuming. Build Mode 2.0 abstracts all of that away. You describe what you want, it handles the technical complexity, you get a working app. That's a fundamental shift in how we build software. And it's only going to get better from here. Google is clearly investing heavily in this. They're adding more capabilities every month, more models, more integrations, more features, and they're doing it in a way that's accessible to everyone, not just developers, business owners, marketers, creators, students. Anyone with an idea can now build AI apps. That's powerful, and that's why I'm calling this update insane. Now, let me give you some practical tips if you're going to start using this. First, start simple. Don't try to build a complex app on day one. Pick one capability like Gemini Intelligence or Generate Speech and build something basic around it. Get familiar with how it works. Second, use the I'm feeling lucky button for inspiration. Sometimes the random combinations it generates will spark ideas you wouldn't have thought of on your own. Third, focus on solving real problems. Don't build apps just because you can. Think about what would actually be useful. What would save you time? What would make you money? Build those things first. Fourth, iterate fast. Build mode 2.0 makes it easy to try different combinations. Don't get stuck on one version. Test multiple approaches and see what works best. And fifth, share your results. The AI community is all about learning together. If you build something cool, post it, get feedback, improve it. This is how you get good at this stuff. Not by hoarding knowledge, but by building in public and learning from others. All right, so here's the bottom line. Google AI Studio Build Mode 2.0 is a legit game changer. You can now build full AI apps by just describing what you want. Mix voice, video search, maps, chatbots, image editing, and more. No code required. Everything auto-wired. I just showed you 3 working demos: a productivity app, an SEO tool, a game, plus a random app from the I'm Feeling Lucky feature, all built in minutes. This is the kind of update that shifts the entire landscape. It makes AI accessible to everyone, and it proves that we're moving toward a future where building software is as easy as writing a sentence. If you're serious about using AI to grow your business or make more money, you need to be paying attention to tools like this, and you need to be learning how to use them effectively. That's exactly what we're doing in the AI Profit Boardroom. Real strategies, real automation, real results. The link is in the description. Go check it out because this is where the future is happening. And don't forget to join the free AI Money Lab, 50 plus free tools, 200 plus ChatGPT prompts, 1,000 plus workflows, full blueprint for lead generation with AI, free community, free course, proven case studies, everything you need to start making money with AI today. The links are in the description. Go join both right now, because the people who win with AI are the ones who take action fast, not the ones who sit on the sidelines watching. Google AI Studio Build Mode 2.0 is live right now. It's free to try, and it's absolutely insane. Go build something, test it out, see what's possible. This is the future of app building, and it's here today. All right, that's it for this video. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so drop your thoughts below. Let me know what you want to build with Build Mode 2.0, and I'll see you in the next one.